How to fix FPL app not working. So I'm going to show you a few fixes. For the first one, we just want to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that our FPL app or Premier League app is up to date. So open up the application itself, see if it says update. If you don't see update but open instead, then it means that you have the most up-to-date version. Now, after we have made sure that we have the most up-to-date version, we want to go to our settings here, and we will just scroll down and search for offload, and you want to select offload unused apps. Now here from this list we want to find the FPL app, so just click on show more and search for the Premier League app. So after you find it, click on it and you want to select offload app here. After we have offloaded the application, we will reinstall it. Okay, so that was the second fix. See if that fixes it for you. And for the last fix, I can suggest changing your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to your mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try switching to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that works. So that's basically what you can do. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.